Welcome to Sandra's Kitchen. I'm Sandra, and today's video has been sponsored by FREEZIMER. They asked me if I would showcase and make a video on their ice maker to show the details of it and how it works, and I said sure, I'd love to. So let's go ahead and jump right in and start getting this unboxed. Okay, inside of the box you have an ice maker. It comes with a nicely made plastic basket and a little ice scoop, and it also comes with a manual that will tell you all the directions on how to use this ice maker. So I'm going to take a damp cloth and wipe this off and get it cleaned up real good, and I'm going to show you the features and show you how this works. So first I'm going to introduce you to the display panel and tell you a little bit about it. You have a select button here, and off to the right you'll have a button for small cubes and a button for large cubes, and this is where you'll select which size you want, either small or large. It has a little light here, will tell you when you need to add water. It will give you a little light indicator telling you when your ice basket is full and needs to be emptied. And a very nice feature that my other ice maker never had was this power clean function. I thought that was a great feature to have. Okay, moving on to the inside of the ice maker. If you notice, it has a nice large reservoir to add the water in, and if you notice right down here there is a max fill line, and you don't want to fill your water above that. And then in the back you'll have your vertical columns in which the water will freeze into ice. So let's just go ahead and, without wasting any more time, let's put some water in this and put this ice maker to the test and see how well it performs. So first I'm going to begin by filling the water to the fill line. I'm going to place my basket inside the ice maker, place the lid down, and I'm going to select the large size ice cubes. And then I am going to select the power button. So I'm going to click that one time to turn on the ice maker and begin the ice process. It's nice and quiet. I like that. So I'll bring you all back after this basket is filled up with ice. I was impressed with the FREEZIMER Ice Maker. It performed very well, and I'm very happy to add it to my collection of kitchen appliances. If you're interested in purchasing this ice maker, I will have their links and info in the description box below. Once again, thank you FREEZIMER for allowing me this opportunity to try your ice maker.